All right, what's up, traders? It's Mark here at DynoTrading. And here's my question for you today, okay? How do you stop an unstoppable market? Right? Guys, we had what appeared to be the mother of all short squeezes today. This volume indicator turned green bright and early in the morning, and it stayed green all day. It never turned red. All right? And listen, here's the takeaway as we end the first quarter of the year. You guys know that today was the last trading day of the quarter, March 31st. What a way to end the week, the month, the quarter. It was simply unbelievable. But here's my takeaway, especially for all of you guys and gals that might have struggled in the first 3 months of this year, or maybe you were still inconsistent, right? Here's my takeaway and my observations that I want you to learn from, okay? Number one, guys, you just have to respect the volume color band, all right? I mean, I know a lot of you guys don't want to. I know a lot of you guys just tried to short the market here. You got your face chopped off. You tried to short the market here, got your face chopped off. Half you guys kept trying to short the market into the close today. Why? Why would you try to short this market when it's so obviously green, right? One thing I have to keep telling people out there is volume indicators, which is what this is. Okay, this green and red color band is my proprietary volume indicator. It simply tells you who's in control, either the bulls or the bears. Okay, if the bears are in control, it's red, and if the bulls are in control, it's green. And my goodness, did the bulls stay in control all day today? Okay, so as we transition into the next quarter, guys, and you know it's just 2 days away, we're going to be back at it on Monday. Here's what I want you to take away. Number one, never, ever trade against the trend. Okay? Start there. If that's all you did starting on Monday, then you'd be shocked at what an incredible impact that's going to make in your trading performance. Just that one thing alone. Never trade against the trend. Okay? And number two, when you're looking for entries, look for entries that are high probability. What does that mean? Well, I got a classic example from today, and this is the same pattern that I've shown you guys repeatedly every single day this year. Okay? And all of my people, all of my customers who have mastered this setup, they crushed it today. Everybody else, they got their faces chopped off. All right? And here's that setup. Okay? Let me just get rid of this box here for a second because I think a lot of you guys know what's coming right now. Okay? So guys, when you're using this volume indicator color band, which again, this is the best trend trading software in the world. Okay? It's going to identify for you trend changes. And here is one right there that took place bright and early this morning. You can quite clearly see it turned green. Okay? But this is not an entry. You understand? Yes, we want to see the market establish a little bit of upward momentum, but we also want to see the market come down and give us one of these. We also want to see the market come down further, give us one of these. These are called retracements, ladies and gentlemen. All right? And if you've been a long-term customer of mine, then you already know the awesome power of these retracements. Okay, especially this one here where it really came in nice and deep before eventually just surging the rest of the day. Okay, in fact, there was another retracement all the way over here, but let's just be honest, even though this was pretty successful, for me, this was just a little bit too late. You know, the move is like just way too extended for me to even consider this, but I do know a lot of you guys were squeezing those short sellers today. You were really putting the screws to those short sellers, and, you know, congrats if you took this retracement here. But, you know, again, with respect to what you should be taking away from this video, okay, I feel like it's not enough to get the direction right. Okay, I'm a greedy savage. I don't want just one thing. I want 10 things. I want 100 things, right? So it's not enough to get the direction right. I also want to look for very high probability setups. aka these retracements. You understand? Where the market comes underneath the color band, but the color band never changes color, right? It stayed green. And all we're looking for is a color match. Green against green. All right. These are what I classify as perfect setups. And once again, guys and gals, look, nobody knows what way the market's going to go, right? Today is a massive up day. 3 days from now, the market could be the complete opposite. We could have an absolute plunge. And it don't matter, right? For us as active day traders, all we care about is, number one, finding and using a very good trend trading indicator. Now, I got that covered for you guys. But number two, we also want to be selective and look for high probability entries. This is how I do it. This is how I've been showing it to you every single day this year. This is how most of my customers do it. And in my humble opinion, I think this is how you win at trading. So I want to give a big shout out to all you guys and gals that had a fantastic first quarter of the year. I'm so glad you guys crushed it, and this indicator is making a difference in your trading. And for me personally, I simply cannot wait to see what kind of crazy explosive moves this market's going to give us in the next quarter. So let's go out there and continue to crush it. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.